하루 10분 영어회화 Speak Out.
Hello and welcome to 하루 10분 영어회화 Speak Out. I'm Joyce Peck. Today we're going to learn about expressions for talking about directions. Oftentimes we ask for and we also give directions to people. So let's see what we have ready for today. We'll get into the key expressions right away. Listen carefully and repeat after me. How can I find Olympic Park? Okay, one more time. How can I find Olympic Park? Okay, very good. So that means where is Olympic Park, right? So if we say in Korean, 올림픽 공원을 어떻게 가나요? 올림픽 공원에 어떻게 가나요? When we want to know how to get somewhere, we can say, how can I find the department store? How can I find the university? Okay, so you can ask the question by saying, how can I find, and then name the place which you want to go to. Okay? All right, second expression, listen carefully and repeat after me. Is this the way to City Hall? One more time. Is this the way to City Hall? All right, very good. Is this the way to? You're asking if you're going in the right direction. Okay, so 시청으로 가는 길 맞습니까? And they'll say, yes, it is. Keep going straight. Or they'll say, no, it's not. Go the other way, like that. Okay, so is this the way to the library? Is this the way to the department store? All right, key expression number 3. Repeat after me. It's walking distance. It's walking distance. Okay, very good. It's walking distance means that you can walk there. It's okay to walk there. 걸어가도 되는 거리입니다. It's walking distance. If it's too far, they might say it's not walking distance. It's not walking distance, meaning you should take a car or a bus or perhaps the taxi. All right, fourth and final key expression. I recommend taking a taxi there. I recommend taking a taxi there. Recommend, this means to suggest. So this person suggests that you take a taxi there. I can say, I recommend walking there. I recommend taking the subway. Right, so you're suggesting a type of transportation. Got it? All right, I think you're ready for today's dialogue. Let's take a look, and I'll be back in just a moment.
Hi there. Could I ask you for some directions?
Sure. How can I help you?
How do I get from Namdaemun Market to Dongdaemun Market?
It's only 4 stops away by subway. Get on the subway at Haehyun Station and get off at Dongdaemun Station.
Do I need to transfer?
No, they are on the same subway line.
Great. About how long do you think it will take?
It'll take you 10 minutes. It's walking distance, so if you go on foot, it's a 30-minute walk.
Thanks a lot. You've been a big help.
No problem. Enjoy your stay in Seoul.
All right, in today's dialogue, we have a tourist asking somebody in Seoul for some help. They are looking for a location and they want some directions. Let's get started. The tourist starts off by saying, "Hi there, could I ask you for some directions?" Repeat after me. Could I ask you for some directions? Okay, instead of saying, "Where is this?" first you're asking them if it's okay to ask them for help. So they're saying, 길 좀 여쭤봐도 될까요? Can I ask you for some directions? Direction also means a certain, how would you say, like 방향, right? But in this case, they're asking for a route. They want to know a route. And the person replies, sure. How can I help you? 네, 물론이죠. 무엇을 도와드릴까요? The tourist asks, how do I get from Namdaemun Market to Dongdaemun Market? How do I get from A to B, right? How do I get from Namdaemun Market to Dongdaemun Market? 그래서 남대문 시장에서 동대문 시장으로 어떻게 가야 하죠? So when you're asking to go from A to B, how do I get from the school to the subway station? How do I get from City Hall to Olympic Park? All right, so you have to have two places and they will let you know. And the person replies, it's only 4 stops away by subway. Repeat after me. It's only 4 stops away by subway. Very good. It's only 4 stops away by subway. When we talk about a stop, it doesn't mean stop and go. It means it's a station where the subway will stop. Right? So in Korean it would be 지하철역. So how many? 4. So you start from Namdaemun and you go 1, 2, 3, 4 stops and then you can arrive at Dongdaemun Market. Alright, so 지하철로 4정거장밖에 안 돼요 is what they're saying. Now they explain, get on the subway at Hwaehyun Station. Get on the subway at Hwaehyun Station and get off at Dongdaemun Station. Okay, this is very easy. You tell them to get on. Get on the subway, get on the bus, get on the train. It means ride the train. Ride the subway. From where? From Hwaehyun Station. All right? And you have to get off. Get off means you come off of the train or the subway. All right? And that's at Dongdaemun Station. So 회원역에서 지하철을 타고 동대문역에서 내리세요. 하차하세요. All right. Okay. And then the tourist asks, do I need to transfer? This is an important question. Repeat after me. Do I need to transfer? Do I need to transfer? Very good. The key word here is to transfer. Transfer means to change trains or to change buses. All right? So 갈아타야 하나요? You're changing lines. All right? And so the answer is no. They're on the same subway line. No, they are on the same subway line. Okay, so the answer is 아니요, 같은 노선입니다. When we say subway line, this line means 노선. All right? In Seoul, we have many subway lines, and in other cities around the world, some small cities only have 2 lines or 1 line. But in Korea, there are many in Seoul, so you have to transfer sometimes. Okay, now the tourist says, great. About how long do you think it will take? About how long do you think it will take? So how long, that means how much time, right? How much time will it take? 얼마쯤 걸리나요? And the answer is, it'll take you 10 minutes. It'll take you 10 minutes. Oh, so it's pretty close, right? 예, so 10분 정도 걸릴 겁니다. It's walking distance. So if you want to go on foot, it's a 30-minute walk. Okay, this is a long sentence. It's walking distance. 키 expression 때 배운 표현이죠. Walking distance는 걸어가도 되는 거리라서 if you go on foot, yeah, what's your foot? Yeah, 발이죠. That means if you walk, okay? If you go on foot, yeah, 보도로, it's a 30-minute walk. It's a 30-minute walk. So it takes 3 times more. 3배가 걸리겠네요. 걸어가게 되면. Okay, now the tourist says, thanks a lot. You've been a big help. You've been a big help. That means you helped me a lot. Repeat after me. You've been a big help. You've been a big help. 예, 고마움을 표현을 하는 거죠. 예, 정말 큰 도움이 되셨습니다. 마지막으로는 no problem. Enjoy your stay in Seoul. Enjoy your stay in Seoul. It means have fun while you are in Seoul. It's a nice thing to say to a tourist, right? Okay, very good. So that's today's dialogue. We have a tourist that's asking a Korean person or someone who is in Seoul for some help. Where are they going? They're going to Dongdaemun Market. Very good. From Namdaemun to Dongdaemun Market. Okay, that's it for today's dialogue. Let's watch it one more time and then we'll review the key expressions.
Hi there. Could I ask you for some directions?
Sure. How can I help you?
How do I get from Namdaemun Market to Dongdaemun Market?
It's only 4 stops away by subway. Get on the subway at Haehyun Station and get off at Dongdaemun Station.
Do I need to transfer?
No, they are on the same subway line.
Great. About how long do you think it will take?
It'll take you 10 minutes. It's walking distance, so if you go on foot, it's a 30-minute walk.
Thanks a lot. You've been a big help.
No problem. Enjoy your stay in Seoul.
Welcome back. In today's dialogue, we learned about giving expressions, giving directions in various expressions. Remember, you have to keep practicing these expressions every day in order to remember them and in order to improve. So practice hard, and I'll see you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.